In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to design this service-centric organization process in PowerPoint. Keys that I am using during the design you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Go to format background. We will give some different color. Go to insert. Take a rectangle. Maybe 2.2 and 4. Control D to duplicate it for later use. Control D to duplicate it. Reduce the transparency. Shift Alt and press right arrow key, add time. Control D to duplicate it. Place it here. Select select all. Go to merge shape, fragment. Hold shift and select this one. Delete. Control D to duplicate it. Go to insert. Take all shape and draw an all circle by holding shift alt and place it here. Select both, merge shape, fragment, and drag this part to the shape. Shape outline, make it no outline. Select this one and by holding shift alt and make it smaller in size. We will give it a dark gray color for a shadow effect. Go to shape, fill, white fill, and place it. I think we will reduce the size of this one also by holding shift alt. Align perfectly and holding shift alt and align this one very carefully. Keys that I'm using during the design you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys. By holding shift and make it larger. I think it's okay. Shape outline, make it no outline. Shape fill, we will give it some different color. Select this one and I'm trying to make it okay. Shape fill, dark gray. Reduce the transparency to give the shadow effect. Okay, I think transparency okay. Select all by holding shift. Select this one also. Control G to group it. Align this one with the to the top shape perfectly. Shape outline, give this color, and shape fill, white fill. Select both, Control G to group it. We will delete these extra parts. Go to the next slider to bring the text that I have typed earlier. To save the time, Control V to pip and place it here. The heading text will be here. Control D to duplicate it, ungroup, place it here, and Control G to group it. Control D to duplicate it, place it here. Control D to duplicate it and Control D to duplicate it. Select all and place it here. We will change these colors to some different colors. Go to shape outline, make this color. So okay. Change all the colors with the different colors one by one. Shape fill with and shape outline. Oh, sorry, shape outline. Okay, you will select another different color, shape outline. It's okay. Need a funnel and bring this to the slide. Convert to shape. Yes, convert to shape and make it little bit larger. Take a triangle and draw a triangle. Rotate it. Go to shape outline, make it no outline. Select both. Merge shape fragment. Select this one by holding shift and delete. I'm give it some gradient that it gives a 3D look. I'm trying to select the best one that the light from the center. It's okay. I'm going to give it some different color. Yes, this color will be okay. Also give this stuff this color and reduce its brightness. Yes, now it's okay. Go to insert, take the whole shape and draw an all. Place it here. That the funnel looks like a 3D. Follow the keys that I am using during the design. Shape outline, make it white. And Control G to group it. Select both. And place it the center of the shapes. I think So need other shapes, I Control D to duplicate it and Control D to duplicate it. Okay, Control D to duplicate it. Go to ungroup, make it ungroup again, and delete this one, make it Control G to group it and place it here. Take a line segment, draw a line to these shapes. You can use this design for your process flow, workflow, and for your company flow or industry flow. You can use this design for your many purposes. Control D to duplicate it and take this end and drag to the shape. Control D to duplicate it, place it here, drag to the shape. All these texts or services are going through the funnel and place it here. Control D to duplicate it and drag to the this end to the shape. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Another Control D to duplicate it and make a link to these two texts. Okay, we need some text, ungroup, Control D to duplicate it, and this text will goes here, make it white. Give also these shapes to a different color. Go to shape outline, give this color. Okay, shape fill. Go to insert, bring some icons. We need, I think, 8 icons. You can find your desired icon in here. Just type in the search icons that you need and insert, bring to the slide, hold Shift Alt and make it small. Now place one by one to these shapes. Okay, this one, it goes here, and this one will be go here. We will change the icon color to the shape color. Go to graphic fill, take eyedropper and select the color. Oh sorry, eyedropper and pick this one, eyedropper and pick this color. You can also give some numbers at the corner of these shapes, 1 2 3 4 5. On the color corner you can also give some numbers and place. Now at the center of the slide you will give it some dark gray color, and that's all for now. Thank you.